Keeping it real at Subway. We told you we finna talk shit at Subway, nigga. This is real shit, nigga. KeepinItReal.com, nigga. Talk about Subway shit, nigga. And we got bitches in here.
Man, that's a bad bitch.
She a bad bitch?
Bad bitch.
Try her fit. Skirt. Subway, keeping it real. I still forgot what the hell she wanted. Huh? I forgot what she wanted.
No, I don't want
Ass.
don't have the chicken on that one.
Oh, chicken salad? It's for 40.
Ah, shit. It's hot as hell in this seat. Straight sun. Huh?
Oh my, it's right, so right.
So, but it's chicken teriyaki. Hot bread. Yeah.
Yes, man. Alright.
Oh, you can get 2 footlongs for $8.99 on Sunday.
You can get 2 footlongs. How much? How much?
Say what, bro?
How much?
How much for which?
The footlongs on Sunday?
Huh?
You said the footlongs for on Sunday.
2 footlongs for $8.99 on Sundays, and all the footlongs every day, all day is $5 except for big kid.
Oh.
Downtown.
Oh, also they got 6 inches. All the 6 inches also $2.99.
Oh, you did?
Downtown.
Where are you from?
You can get it.
Okay. I think so.
And how much are the cookies?
California.
The cookies. Then you get 12 cookies for $5.
Chicken teriyaki.
Chicken teriyaki.
Yeah, he does all that. Yeah.
You got that toasted, right?
Yeah.
I got you. What kind of cheese you say you want for it?
Then cheddar balls. Let me get cheddar balls.
Double
I got
all easy right here.
I'm saying KeepinItReal.com. You know what I mean?
Holla at us. We over here at the Subway by the Valero. $8.99 on Sundays. Get you the footlongs. All the footlongs for $5 except the feast in the Philly. And you can get any 6-inch except the feast in the Philly for $2.99. And you can get a drink for 99 cents. That's Subway at the Valero. If you're YouTubing, remember this face. This is the guy that told you. I tell you all the time. And we got free coffee every morning. Holla back.
Skirt. Squad business.
That there's a dedicated worker.
I used to be selling CDs and stuff like that of my music. Holla at your boy.
You can't tell that man shit.
I'm a hustler. I've been hustling since been hustling. I can tell the original hustler.
And you wasn't down here. I thought you were sorry.
You said cheddar cheese?
Yeah.
I got you.
Nigga be forgetting this shit.
He know. I bet he know everything in this thing. What's this? It look frozen.
Which one?
That's chicken, ain't it?
Oh, that's Parmesan chicken right there, brother.
Look at that.
That's with cheese in it.
You know what I mean?
Parmesan cheese with that.
You
know what I mean? Hit me up, you know what I mean?
You know what he mean? You better know
You know
what
what
he
he
mean.
mean, nigga. Follow me on Twitter, nigga. Kid King, nigga. Check out my YouTube, multi-kid space, nigga. KeepItReal.com always.
You getting any other sandwiches with that?
Nah.
No? You getting a sandwich, bro?
Nah, let me get one of the free sandwiches. I heard that got that
Free sandwiches? Oh man, they stopped doing that a while ago, man. I heard about it.
Yeah.
They stopped doing it like a week before I got hired.
Oh man, well, why I get the damn memo? What the fuck? I ain't get the memo, nigga. Nigga always hungry. I couldn't get the memo.
Let me get a handful of lettuce.
Nigga said, there you go right there, nigga. Hey, this nigga.
Alright, man. Have a great day.
I mean, I want everything except onions.
Everything except onions, I got you, bro.
And she gonna eat everything except onions, jalapenos,
And ranch.
the yellow shit, whatever that is. Don't know.
That ain't my goddamn
That
sandwich.
look like tuna. That look like sausage. That's sausage. You can't tell me otherwise.
That's pepperoni.
Right here, little homie.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's tuna, that's seafood right there.
All money. Chip cookies. I don't care nothing about.
Damn, look at all these goddamn cookies.
They need somebody to buy them.
Nigga, usually when I come here, they sold the fuck out. Goddamn.
See, now I need somebody to buy 'em.
Oh, you got some money?
I trade you a lighter for one of these cookies.
This nigga.
Huh?
This.
Sleep.
Now that's a big ass sound. Look at that. No nigga got the munchies for to eat this shit.
And that bitch ain't gonna close.
Shit, hell no, nigga. Give me a knife, fork, and a spoon, nigga.
Say it again.
A knife, fork, and a spoon.
Said knife, fork, and a spoon.
Yeah.
And the
You want some
long ass
cookies?
plate.
You want some cookies, don't you?
Yeah, you deal with a pro.
You don't want no
bro.
cookies?
I've been over at Subway on Nelson so
Man, what kind of green shit is that? That doesn't even look edible.
That's spinach. That's that shit that Popeye be eating.
Alright.
It don't look like that shit, Papa. It's still leafy.
That's because it ain't been boiled. It's fresh.
Nigga had me fucked up and shit like that by itself.
Bro, you want any dressing on it?
Yeah, let me
Ranch.
get mayo, no ranch. Fuck
No.
that.
Mayo.
No ranch. Yeah, let me get mayo. Let's get a lot of mayo, man.
A lot of mayo. Let me know when it's good about.
That's a good amount right there.
Right there.
Anything else?
Alright, that's good, bro. Straight
Salt,
in.
pepper, oregano, Parmesan cheese, oil and vinegar, sweet onion sauce.
He making that bitch sound all extra
Alrighty.
good.
I'm already hungry.
That's
and
what I
shit.
do. I get paid for that. I gotta make sure y'all sandwich is phenomenal.
That nigga said phenomenal.
No, man, no.
Gotta be like, man, I ain't did this, but I gave that boy that skill. Straight.
So I come here, while you in here, and you'll put anything I want. So if I tell you put pieces of cookie in that thing, you'll put it in there.
Say what now, bro?
If I tell you to put a cookie in that sandwich, you'll put a cookie in that sandwich.
I'm gonna have to charge you for the cookie.
Ah,
But,
yeah, see.
yeah, I'll put it in there if you want it. I mean, it's whatever the customer wants.
See, that's man by this business.
Y'all got weed?
Nah, I'm pretty sure they don't got that.
Man, we need to go to Amsterdam.
Real? Nah, they look fake.
Camden Fairview, Cardinals. I used to go to that school a long time ago.
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time.
Y'all ain't got shrimp, do y'all?
Say it again.
Shrimp.
Shrimp?
I like shrimp, but I can't eat it
I
because I'm
love
allergic.
shrimp. Bitch, that is. Hey, what's going on, little man? You needed something?
KeepinItReal.com.
Oh, I got you.
My nigga Sean. Oh,
Real nigga, what's up?
the nigga. She wonder what's taking on with her baby, man.
Sorry about that. I didn't even notice it right there.
Oh, okay.
KeepinItReal.com, and we out.
You got a full-on chicken.